Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to fix I can't follow on TikTok issue. First of all, open your settings app. Next, scroll down a bit and you can find your apps option in here. So tap on it. Then click on this manage apps option in here. Now you can find your TikTok app among them and click on it. So finally you need to clear your app data and cache by clicking this clear data option and clear cache option in here. After clicking clear cache, give OK to this pop-up message. So now you need to log into your TikTok account by entering your username and password. So now it must work. Hope this video is helpful for you guys. See you in the next video.